My name is John Duguid. I'm the Senior Director of Research and Development at Vericel Corporation in Cambridge, Massachusetts. So Vericel's products are autologous cell therapy products, and autologous means that the patient recipient of the product is also the tissue donor. We have two different therapeutic areas at Vericel. One is for cartilage repair, and the types of patients that we see for cartilage repair are typically athletes who have damaged their knee cartilage, and knee cartilage does not auto-regenerate itself. So our products actually allow patients to get back to an active lifestyle. The second therapy in the severe burn area, that's a life-saving technology. These patients are typically burned between 70 to 90% of their total body surface area, and so this product is sort of their last resort. We chose MYCOSEQ using a risk-based approach that evaluated 20 commercially available mycoplasma tests on the market at the time, and MYCOSEQ scored the highest in our risk assessment using a number of different parameters. It became imperative for us, mission critical almost, to develop a test where we could get results in the same day. Some of the features of the MYCOSEQ assay that led it to score so highly on our risk assessment were its selectivity, its sensitivity that was comparable to the growth-based method, its ability to be automated, the fact that it was based on real-time PCR as opposed to conventional PCR for objective data analysis. Quite frankly, the fact that we already had an AB7500 in-house that we were using for other assays made it, we didn't have to do additional training or have additional capital expense, so it became a natural choice for us. It's important to have final results before the products are actually implanted into or onto a patient primarily for patient safety reasons. From a safety perspective, the MYCOSEQ assay gave us a high level of confidence in the results we were obtaining based on our validation data. The technical support from Thermo Fisher SCIENTIFIC was really outstanding from the beginning. Technical support actually jumped in and helped us figure out a way to get a robust validation package put together by offering up use of their labs in Foster City, California. They helped us figure out how to get enumerated stocks from a third party and just provided amazing support through the entire validation. I think Vericel and Thermo Fisher SCIENTIFIC have very similar values, and that has facilitated a really good working relationship. In fact, I think I would go so far as to call it a partnership. We have numerous stories of patients whose lives have been changed because they can basically get back to the activities of normal daily life. One thing I think Thermo Fisher could do to help us achieve our goals, or actually help the cell therapy industry achieve its goals, would be to look into developing rapid tests for other classes of organisms. What I'd like to say to the Thermo Fisher team that helps support this technology is thank you. We could not have done it without you.